Hey everybody, it's Maggie Mulhern. We are here in New York City. I am here with Alex Lozano. We are at a Great Lengths event, and it's pretty exciting. 35 hairdressers have come in here to learn more about extensions, tape-ins, the whole gamut that Great Lengths offers. And we were talking about that there are three keys when one is doing extensions that hair artists must do to make sure they have the perfect finish. So fill us in.
Absolutely. So the first thing I think is matching density. You want to make sure that whether you're doing tapes, whether you're doing a strand by strand method, that the density that you're adding in is the density that is coming out. So, for example, with the tapes, we're working with horizontal sections. When you're doing strand by strand, you want to make sure that whatever comes out of that quarter-inch square is what's being placed. The second thing is color placement. Color placement is very important because you want to make sure that the color that you are applying matches the color that the client naturally has. And then the placement, because you want to also make sure that your color placement is not only matching what they have, but also making sure that it blends in, even if you're adding a color that isn't currently in the client's natural hair.
All right, so I did not realize she had extensions in here. I thought you were going to do it. Good job on this one. This is great. How often should a client wash her hair when she's got these extensions?
Well, you would treat it just like you would your own natural hair. So if the client washes her hair daily, then she can wash it daily. She probably won't get the full 5 months out of it as she would if she washed it every other day, but you want to treat it just as you would your own hair.
Okay, so what other tips should a hairdresser, after one has applied the extensions, should she give to her client to make sure they last long and look great?
Well, you want to make sure you always keep the bonded area dry. So whether you're using the tape in or the strand by strand, you want to make sure that that area where it adheres to the natural hair is dry. And second of all, you want to keep heat away from it. So if you're blow drying, you just want to make sure you're not keeping that heat constantly on the bonded area or a flat iron or a curling iron. And that'll give you that 3 to 5 months.
All right, so I'm going to put you on the spot. Which is your favorite of all of these? And they are tape-ins, ultrasonic, and what's behind me? The original.
This is the original thermofusion. So being an old schooler, I have to say I love the thermal machine as much as I love the cold fusion ultrasonic touch. It's got this beautiful display screen, which is absolutely, absolutely beautiful. But I do like my strand by strand done by the thermal, personally.
Well, that is so great, and I understand that she loves that because she can go round or flat. This you can.
I mean, with the tape,
fast.
you can do it's fast. You can do single-sided. You can do double-sided.
And then what about behind?
And then with a thermal, it's a round bond. I just personally work faster. Maybe it's because that's what I was trained in. That's where my heart is. But all three are just fabulous.
Well, it's great. So how do we follow you?
So I am on Instagram. It's alex.rafael with an F .Lozano.
Terrific. Thank you so much. And again, it's Great Lengths. And again, thanks for having Mulhern here today. And have fun on your multi-city tour teaching everybody.
Thanks, Maggie.
Thanks.